Hello students, I welcome you on this A to Z exam group platform. Today we will start very important topic from your board examination as well as your various engineering and some other entrance and job examination, and the topic is differentiation. So let's start with its some standard formula. So the very first formula of differentiation is that's d dx of x to the power n, and this will be n x n minus 1. This is the first formula. It is very important formula, and let us see the numerical question of one, and that's why it will be more clear to you. Simply suppose that the function given to you is y equal to the x to the power 4, and you have to differentiate it. What you will do, you will simply d dx of y equal to d dx of x to the power 4, and as per the formula the value of n is over here is it's 4. Then simply write it as 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1. It means 4x3, and your d dx of y is 4x cube. So this is the case, and this can be applied in number of ways. Let us see the one more question, and that's why it should be clear to you in more detail. Let us take simply let us y equal to x की power 4 and its power 5, right? And then you have to calculate. Then what you will do, you know very well, y to the x की power, both power will be multiplied, it means it to be 20. And now you can simply apply this formula d dx of y equal to 20 into x की power 20 minus 1. It means 20 into x की power 90. The very next question is based on this formula. Let us take simply suppose that the question given to you is y equal to x, and this is again in square root, and you have to calculate the d dx of y. Then how we will calculate d dx of y is equal to the, first of all try to solve it. And what is this, x to the power 1 by 2 and its whole power 1 by 2. Simply power will multiply x to the power 1 by 4. So x power 1 by 4, and if you want to operate it, you have to do 1 by 4 into x the power 1 by 4 minus 1. It simply means 1 by 4 into x की power minus 3/4, or you can write it as 1 upon 4x power 3/4, right? So this is the answer. It may contains some other. Simply suppose y equal to x power 5, and you have to operate. What you will do? Simply, this is written as x to the power 1 by 5. So d dx of y is always equal to 1 by 5 x to the power 1 by 5 minus 1, means 1 by 5 x power minus 4 by 5. So this is the answer. Now I think the question based on this formula x to the power n will be very clear to you. In next session, we will take another formula and will solve the question based on that formula. So this series will be continue. Students, I would like to request you kindly share, subscribe, and write your comment in feedback section. And that's why we can customize this lecture as per your need, and this will be more and more fruitful. Thank you, class.